Good morning, it's me, Leigh of Victorian Jeans by Leigh, and I just wanted to give you another project share today. So in the mystery box um, for September, we got a lot of Halloween stuff, and I had never bought the Haunted Flowers card embellishments from Griffin, and I did make 3 cards, and look how much is left. There's a lot. And so I have the subscription box of the Finishing School Flower Cart box, and it's got the dies. Let me see. It's so stuffed. That's a lot of supplies. I don't want to ruin the box. But I used this die from inside, but then I got, I even used the paper from this to make the card. All I used from this was the actual embellishment so that it would be fall or Halloweeny type stuff. So this is what I decorated with, but I did get the orangey kind of paper here. I got these from the original box. So I'll show you. I made easel cards this time, and I'll show you that's what. And this is 3-dimensional here. There's a lot of 3-dimensional. It's got bumps and everything, and it stands up like that. Isn't that pretty? And it's the perfect colors for autumn or for Thanksgiving, a place card setting. But there's the first one. This right here, I don't know where I got it from. It's Anna's, but I don't know if I got it from the original box or out of my stash. So there's the first one. And they are a little bit different. And you need to use 2 papers and then a little bit of another paper to do this. Here's the second one, and that one says that one says Thanksgiving wishes. This one says hello autumn. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then this one is bugs and it says bugs and kisses and Halloween wishes. So I did this one in black. That's her matte, her foil cardstocks. I used all her foil cardstocks. So look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? So there is the 3 cards that I made. It's kind of hard to see them. But yeah, there's 3 cards I made using the Haunted Flower card embellishments, and I don't really do a lot of Halloween stuff, so me getting this in my mystery box for $39.95 a month, I've already used 4 different items and making 4 different video project shares. So it's giving me stuff that I normally wouldn't buy, and it's, oh gosh, it's half the price if you bought them individually. So just buying this would have probably been the box. So or just a little less. But yeah. So hopefully you like that. Thank you. Have a blessed day.